The storm's bringing dangerous flooding to towns like Winthrop. WBC's Christina Rex joins us live with a look at the conditions there. Christina?
Paula, a really unfortunate situation here in Winthrop. We're on Marshall Street. Let me show you what's happening behind me. This is a town of Winthrop Ploughtruck stuck in a sinkhole. We're told by neighbors he's been stuck here since roughly 7:30 this morning. There's been a number of other town employees coming by to try and figure out how to tow him out, but you can see here that the tires are actually off the rims, which has caused a major issue getting this plow truck out of this sinkhole. You can also see, if we could just move this way a little, the sinkhole, it just leads to a crack all the way down the street. Again, this is Marshall Street here in Winthrop, and this isn't the only problem. There's a number of water main breaks around town as well. I want to have you hear from a neighbor now. He told us kind of what he saw and what he heard when this plow first fell through the road.
Plow was coming up the street, and I heard a big pop, look out, and he's sinking.
He's literally stuck in the street.
Yeah, the tires, both tires popped, the air brakes are gone, the whole truck's totaled.
Pretty tough situation for this plow truck. Like I said, it's been several hours. He's stuck here in this sinkhole. The town of Winthrop has reported a number of water main breaks. The street just around the corner is completely flooded. We're going to go check that out right after this. So, no power in this area, very little water. The town has asked residents not to use their running water or to use it limited right now while they figure out this entire situation. Live in Winthrop, Christina Rex, WBZ News.